Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a pie chart in Canva. If you're preparing a presentation, a report, or a quick social graphic, a pie chart is a fast way to show proportions at a glance, and Canva makes it simple. Pie charts are perfect for visually representing data like market share, customer demographics, or sales breakdowns. They're a great way to communicate key statistics clearly and concisely. Start by opening your project in Canva. Make sure you're in the editor view, where you can see your canvas in the middle and the toolbar on the left. On that left sidebar, click Elements. This is Canva's library of graphics, shapes, and charts. It's packed with tons of tools and assets, so whether you're creating a simple chart or something more complex, you'll find what you need here. At the top of the Elements panel, use the search bar and type Pie Chart. You'll see a section for charts, along with decorative graphics. The Charts section will show various styles of pie charts, and you'll want to choose the editable pie chart from the chart's results. Once you find it, click it once, and Canva will place the chart directly onto your design. You can move the chart by clicking and dragging it, and you can resize it by pulling the corner handles. Resizing won't change your data. It only adjusts the visual size so it fits your layout. If you ever place it in the wrong spot, press Undo or drag it back into position. Resizing the chart is a great way to fine-tune its appearance in your design, especially if you're working with limited space. Just make sure the pie chart remains legible and the text doesn't get too small when resizing. With the pie chart selected, look to the left side again. A data panel appears where you can edit the chart's values. Replace the placeholder numbers with your own data. It's best to type the raw numbers rather than manually calculating percentages. Canva will automatically convert them into the correct slice sizes, making the process much quicker and more accurate. For example, if you're representing the market share of your products, simply input the raw sales numbers, and Canva will do the work of converting them into proportions on the pie chart. If you need an extra slice, add a new row in the panel. To remove a slice, clear or delete a row. This feature is useful when you're dealing with data that may change, or if you want to focus on a few key categories. Rename each label so it clearly describes what the slice represents, and update the colors to keep them distinct. For example, if you're presenting sales data by region, you might name the slices North, South, East, and West. This will help your viewers easily understand what each slice represents at a glance. If the data panel disappears, simply click the chart again to bring it back. As you edit, watch the slices update in real time. This gives you immediate feedback on how your data is being represented visually. Keep your categories concise so the chart remains readable, and choose high contrast colors for clarity. High contrast colors not only make the chart more visually appealing, but also ensure that it's accessible to a wider audience, including those with color vision deficiencies. If your design uses a brand palette, apply those colors to keep everything consistent. Consistency is key to creating a polished design, so matching the colors of your pie chart to your brand palette helps maintain a cohesive look across your materials. Consider the order of slices too. Grouping similar values or placing the most important category first can make your message more intuitive. For example, if you want to highlight your best-selling product, place that slice in a prominent position, or use a distinct color to draw attention. This will help guide your audience's attention to the most important parts of your data. When you're done entering data, give the chart a quick sanity check. Do the labels match the slices? Do the numbers tell the story you intended? A clean, legible pie chart should be easy to understand at a glance, with clear labels, accurate proportions, and a logical flow. This final check will ensure that your pie chart effectively communicates your message. That's it. You've opened your project, added a pie chart from Elements, and edited the data in the left panel. With these steps, you can create crisp, accurate visuals that elevate your design in just a few clicks. Whether you're visualizing sales data, survey results, or market analysis, pie charts are a great tool to keep your content engaging and easy to understand. Happy designing!